This is the week 5 discussion for Foundations of Math. And this week we did the Amplify Baseball War activity. And in this discussion post, we were to share what we noticed and wondered from the graph in slides 1 and 2. And then what would we name this graph in slide 3? And share a situation other than baseball related to our work or other interests in which this kind of graphing would be relevant, and to explain why. So heading over to the Amplify activity, what do I notice from this graph? And I said that during the 3 players, so these 3 players up here are the same 3 players down here. And during their first contract, which it says in these parentheses, they performed at a higher level than how they performed during their second contract, in which it says on these 3 down here, which are much lower than way up here. And my friend was actually helping me with this assignment. He's really into baseball, and he taught me that WAR means wins above replacement, so I did not know that. But yeah, so basically I noticed that during their first contract, they performed at a higher level than their performance during the second contract. And this seems relevant to what everybody else has said. What do I wonder from the graph? I said that, or I asked that, what causes the players' reduction in performance as their number of contracts increase? And this also is relevant with what other people said. And yeah, it's something that I wonder. I wonder if it's maybe they're aging, or maybe they're just getting comfortable with their, salary and their lifestyle, and their performance is just slumping. Yeah, I don't know. In slide 3, we were to write a catchy headline that captures the graph's main idea. And I basically said, big contracts, small benefits. And this one is very similar to what I said, more security equals less effort. And this seems relevant with everything else that's been said. Okay, and lastly, we are to share a situation other than baseball related to my work or other interests in which this kind of graph would be relevant, and explain why. So this type of graph is very relevant in any realm of finance, as it obviously deals with money. And I think this could also be used in, my field of interest, like IT work and cybersecurity. Because employers can see whether higher salaries among employees produced a higher performance from those employees. So in situations like that, and those like this one, these types of graphs are very useful. And that is my response.